Hello and good evening. I'm Abhijit and I'm from Team MERAKI, and I will be providing you the demo for the app that is Immigration Hub that we have created by the Team MERAKI. So let's get started. So first and foremost, our application is running on this public IP as of now, and it's running on the port 3000. So this is the landing page where you can see all the information that we have gathered and put it in different sections like home, about, team, and contact. So there are the sign in and sign up where the users can easily sign up and then sign in using the credentials. So in the everything you need to manage your immigration. So over here you can see that the features are the what is in this application. So there is the document management, the community support, the financial planning, the cultural integration, the health and wellness, and education and career. And this is just testimonials. As of now, this is just a dummy data that we have mentioned over here. So and now if I move to the about section, what is our mission? So our mission is empowering the immigrants on their journey to Canada. And it's not just empowering the immigrants, it's to ensure the trust, foster the innovation, and also support the communities that they are from. And our values, what we stand for integrity, innovation, community, and excellence. And we strive for the excellence in everything we do, from customer service to platform. And now our story. So Immigration Hub, it was founded by a team of immigrants and who understand what the challenges that they had faced like during their arrival over here in Canada. And with those issues and needs in mind, we have developed this application. Now, if I just go to teams over here, meet our talented team. So the individuals that are over here in our team are the Swagat Koirala as a backend developer, Abhijit Darkar as backend developer, and Arju Khatri and Yash Gujaral working in the frontend developer, and Sandesh Nakal as our SRE engineer who helped to deploy this application. Now, if I just move to the contact section over here, users can just send us a quick message with email with their email address and the subject, and we will reply with them as soon as possible. And as of now, we have just kept our location as Seneca College, and later we will be fixing this if we like have to change it to something else. But as of now, we have just set it to Seneca College. Now let me just give you the quick overview with the sign up procedure. Let me just use a email that I have not used for the registration process. So that is, let me just use abhijitrakar@gmail.com. For password, let me just provide it as something that I can remember. And similarly, let me just use that for the confirm password as well, and the users can see what they have input with this eye icon over here. So let me just do continue, and so here you can see that user with this email had already existed. So that means I have already used this email. So what I can do is I can just do +1 for now, because this is for the testing purpose. And here what users need to do is they need to input the verification code that has been sent to their mail. So for that, let me just go to my email and let me just refresh this. And over here we can see that I have just got the mail. So this was the previous email, so that's why we were unable to see it. So if I just go to spam over here, and let me just go to over here, let me just copy this code, the OTP code, and without this verification the users cannot proceed forward. So let me just verify the email. So the users I feel like I just provided the wrong code, so that's right. So this is the new code, the OTP code. Let me just copy this, and here you can see that if the users provide the wrong OTP code, then it will not work. So they need to provide the one that's actually correct, or the latest one that is sent over to the email. So let me just verify over here. So the registration has been successful and we have been transferred to our sign-in page. So let me just do a quick login over here. So for here, I just need to provide abhijitrakar@gmail.com, and I need to provide +1 over here because that is the account that I have used. And for the password, I can just use the one that I have been using. And over here, this is the dashboard. After the successful sign-in, we will be redirected to the dashboard, and this is the dashboard where we will be provided the data regarding the budget overview, the document reminders. And as of now, as I have not provided any sort of information in this budget overview and document reminders, so that's why it's showing none over here, and there are no any document reminders as well. And here you can see as well, in the currency exchange rate, we can just see the Canadian equivalency rate in their home country, or like be it in Pakistani currency, the Bangladeshi currency, and so others. So as of now, let me just give you the quick overview of what the Canadian currency conversion is in Nepali rupees. And as of now, it's 98, and this data is being fetched from one of the Remit apps, so that is TapTapSend. So we have used the TapTapSend API, and we have integrated so as to fetch the data dynamically and show it over here. And now going down on the bottom here, we can see that what are the latest news. So this news, all of this news have been faced from the IRCC website. And if I just go to read more over here, and it will just redirect me to where this news section is, and we can just read the news over here as well. So that maintains the integrity and the genuineness of the what the user is consuming from our platform. So each and every information or the news that they will be getting will be based on the IRCC. And now if I just go to document section over here, and let's say I just wanna add a new reminder stating that I want a reminder regarding my password. So let me just say that in the year 2025, on maybe let's say for now July 1, my password will be expiring, and I just want the, like, let's say monthly reminder, and I have kept it as active reminder. Let me just do add reminder. So now what actually will happen is a quick immediate email will be sent to my email over here. So if I just go to over here, and if I just go to spam and just refresh it, so here we can see that this is an immediate reminder for password, and the document expiry date is 2025 July 1, and the frequency is monthly. So every month the user will be notified that their password will be expiring, and it will be on a monthly basis. So, and now if I just go to the dashboard section over here, the users can see that okay, in the documents reminder, the password, it's expiring in like I have 79 days of what the input I had provided for the expiry of the password. And now if I just go to the news section over here, so here there are a total of 5 different news categories. So it's news, releases, speeches, backgrounders, media advisories, and statements. So all of this data, all of these news, it has been parsed from the IRCC newsroom. So if I just go to over here, the user will be redirected to the IRCC website. So like it maintains the genuineness as I showed you earlier from the dashboard also. So like each and every news that they can see over here, like they can just do read more, and they will be redirected to the original IRCC website page. And there are a total of 5 different categories, so users can just go through them as how they want, and the users, they can also search the news that they want. And now talking about the community, so over here a user has already said that okay, I want to apply for the PGWP. Can anyone help me? What type of documents are required for that? So now as this is a dummy data that we have provided in the database, so now as of now I can just say comment, I can just do a comment that okay, I can help, and I can just provide the overall descriptions of how and what they can do. And here they can see that who has commented on it and at what time. So this is the community where the users can ask regarding the questions, the confusions, and the other users, they will clarify it. And now if I just go to the guidelines sections over here, so this is the predefined guidelines where we have mentioned what are the steps that they can actually do, or more like specific steps and procedures that they can follow and maintain, and they can achieve what they really want, like be it regarding when to apply for a study permit, and the permanent residency planning, and before you arrive in Canada, what are the things that you have to do, and so on. So these are the guidelines. And in the community section as well, the users can ask if they want to say okay, I want to see more guidelines, and then the admins, they will be creating more guidelines. And now if I just go to the budget section over here, so as of now the monthly income is 0, and the total expenses and remaining balance is 0. Now let's say my monthly income as of now is, so let's say my monthly income is 1500. Let me just save it. And now, so let's say on housing, every month I spend around $550, and let me provide the description as rent and do add budget. So what actually will happen is my monthly income is 1500 and my total expenses is 550 as of now, and the remaining balance is 950. So now let me say I have another extra expenses, more like utilities. So let's say every month on utilities I spend around, like, let's say 250, and I can just add over here utilities. And what actually will happen is, like, the calculation will be done so that the remaining balance, it will be the monthly income minus whatever the total expenses I have added. Now if I just go to the dashboard page section over here, the users can now see the overall summary of what they have added: the monthly income, the total expenses, the balance that they have, and the document reminder. So as of now I just have one, I have added just one, that is the reminder for the password expiry, and it's showing the summary that I have 79 days remaining, and the currency exchange rates, they can just go to different paginations, and they can just view the data for their home country as well. And this is the latest news as well. And now the last one, that is the deal section. So in the deal section over here, what users can do is like they can just go to like any specific deals, like by just going to this get this deal, and they will be redirected to that page. And as we have faced this from the original like provider, so like once they remove this, so it won't work. So as of now, let me just do for the TDC student pass. So if I just click and get this deal, so like they will be redirected to like how they can get this deals or the actual deal page, and they can just see that, oh, like how they can be actually benefited using our platform. So over here as well, we have added for the Apple education pricing. So all these over here are just for the education or the students. So we will be redirecting to them to the corresponding like provider pages. So now if I just go to the dashboard section over here, so this has been all the summary of whatever we have added, and I have covered the documents. I can further add the other document types, so be it like like visa, driver license, health card, scene and custom document, and be it regarding the news, the community. In the community, the users can query. Later on, what we have planned is we will make the communities, and the users can join, and furthermore the users can post the images, be it regarding the posts and comments as well. And for the guidelines, we will be making it so proficient, so that the users, they can request that, okay, I can help you in adding more guidelines, and the users, they will be adding the guidelines, and the admins, once they approve, they can just see it from here. And for the budget section and as well, we will try to make it more streamlined, so that the users, they can get the most out of it and do a proper budgeting, and it will be beneficial for them. And furthermore, on the deals, we will try to add all the flyers as we have worked upon it, and the users, they can just go to the specific page, and then they can just see, oh, what's the items that's on sale for this week. And now if I just go to the profile section, as of now, this is all my personal information: my first name, last name, email, gender, nationality, the province, and bio. So I can just do edit profile. I can just add my gender. Let me just add my bio as I'm a B, and let me add my nationality as Nepalese, and my province as of now is Ontario, and let me just save changes. And for the for the change password, what the user has to do is they have to go through the OTP verification once again, because as they have used the email for the registration and the sign up, so using the same email, the OTP will be sent, and then only the user can change their password. And let me just log out from here. So yeah, this has been over for our application Immigration Hub.